Yan, gagawa tayo ng turon with langka. And anang kabanglo, ang linuluto namin ay tadan! Asado. Magluluto tayo ng asado. Asadong walang patatas. Nakalimutan ni Tatang. And yan, gagawa tayo ng panghalo-halo. And mamaya magko-concert si Tatang, you know. You know. Ayun no. Ayun no. Concert.
And then count that. You say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay. Let's go. Yati wo. Nyama na pwesto. Bawi.
It's yummy.
It's yummy. Relax.